My last vacation. Grandmother and siblings. I hope you enjoy this new adventure with me, full of the fantasy in a whole continent of great innovation. I thank Kayak for their service to the destination, and I love how excited they were to hear about this trip and they accept it with all their heart. Great Wall of China. I also appreciate that they made use of the recommendation for clearing irritation due to the high temperature. It's worth mentioning that of the duty they were under scary, but when we saw the other, we agreed to put them. For example, my grandmother could not go hiking Montiano, but she enjoyed settling down to the slide. My older brother loved diving for the first time with his wife, kindling cars, kindling, kindling cars, or cable car ride, and of course I could not miss the marathon so that at the end of the day we could be all enjoy good music and the music Jinjan Electronic Music Festival. And the rest of the day we visit some small towns to learn about the culture. The trip before leaving home became a bit delayed, but the desire to visit did not leave our mind and began our heavy travel. Seven, eh, 72 hours and having all the money of the $50,000. We gave ourselves the opportunity to visit four sections of the Great Wall of China and in the public transport around $30, such battling the Tianju, Hishilin. We enjoy so much to stay in the place for your kindness, for the discounts, an excellent guide, and the most amazing this foods, breakfast, dinner, an excellent guide, and the most amazing thing to have enjoyed the company all of your great support with received natural reason to believe that everything was possible if we're together. Like this is in a room with four people and free food with fish. Great Wall of China at the night, Great Wall of China by day. Thank you for having accepted and enjoyed this invitation. Love, Valentina.